this one place?
This here is Jedtown. Jedtown has a freeway, trains of course, a fire station, a train station, steamworks, a ranch, an airport, and more. Especially this construction area over here. It has Shrek driving the front loader, some cement mixer, monster truck, and even a danger sign. Can't do that. Down here, we have the airport. Uh-oh. Woo! There is the airport with the dusty Crophopper. There's Grease Lightning, Chug in the back, in the watchtower. Here we have Lightning McQueen with Mater, Snot Rod, a gas pump, an ice cream truck. Over here we have our ranch, which has cowboy, a cowgirl, a car, a house, a shed, and even a little stable for the cattle.
Oh, I forgot something.
Now, over here, we have the Steamworks with Harold the helicopter in between those two bars that you can see. Here at Steamworks, we have trains that need a rest, a big break. So we have this whole area. We have Thomas over there. He's tied on because he needs to go to the Steamworks to have his engine repaired. He got in a crash 3 days ago. There we go. There's Diesel 10. Woo! Woo! There's Thomas. There's the Steamworks station with Harold the helicopter. Uh-oh! Crash on the track.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Harold the helicopter flies in. Epic fail.
Epic. Say bye from Jedtown. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.